Hi guys, welcome to Steve's Wood Shop. I was down here this morning in my little shop. For those of you that have been following the channel, I've got a little bit larger wood shop over here, and this is I call it the little shop. I keep a lot of disposable stuff in here, consumables, things like that, and I keep some small power tools. So if I'm working in here on something, I don't have to go to the other shop to cut it, sand it, things like that. I was working on a little test jig. I'm getting ready to do a video on the Wera Jokers versus the Knipex pliers wrench. So I needed to cut this board. I'm thinking I don't want to get dust all over the place in here. I had this already. This is a Ridgid 3-gallon 18-volt vacuum. I don't know the horsepower. They really don't state the horsepower. I got a 4-amp-hour battery in here, and if you pull it over here, it also comes with some accessories, a brush, a nozzle. The reason I like this one is if you pull it off, it basically comes with like a HEPA filter. It's got this blue filter and a bag that I just changed, brand new almost, the bag is. So I wanted to try to use this and the DeWalt 5 3/8 saw. I thought would be perfect to cut this little board with. That's what I keep in here. I usually just cut it over here. Some of the dust goes out the back, some goes in the trash can. But I was thinking today, I have this already. I was going to put this on the Merca dust extractor I bought, and I decided to get a better hose for it. This is the Dust Rite from Rockler. It's a FlexiPort power tool hose kit. It's made to go to the little hand power tools, the sander, the little saw, and things like that. So I'm going to see if I could use this, and I think I can. In fact, I know I can. I'm lying. I know I can because I've already done it, and I disassembled it for you guys. So as you can see on the packaging here, I've already unpacked it, took out the plastic, but it comes with a 3-foot to 12-foot expandable hose, and it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these little adapters. So you'll be able to fit, God, 99% of the tools. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you how I'm going to convert this little portable vac into a portable dust extractor. So this is what comes in the kit. You get 2 of these. These connect to each end of your hose, and you get 4 different connections for all of your hand power tools. So I'm going to take these out for now. We don't need them. We'll need them in a little bit. Now these are the 2. So this one connects to your vacuum, and this size here works perfect for the Ridgid vacuum. And this one connects to the other end of the hose, and that's what these, that's what these snap into. So after you get this connected, these just snap in, they rotate, they will not come out. They got the little press here. You just press that to take it off. So let's put it on. We'll start on this end. This one goes to the vacuum. You see how big these threads are, so I'm assuming you have to stretch it out like that a little bit, and it threads in reverse. After you get started, it threads very easy. And it stops. I mean, it's locked in. So this other side, stretch it out also. Once you get it started, it's very easy, and you can tell when it's through, it locks. So that's it. You got both ends of your hose. Okay, let's set this little light here. Hopefully you can see that better. So this is the hose it comes with. It's pretty cool because on this vacuum, it comes around, it connects in here. You just pull it off when you want to use it. When you don't want to use it, this is actually a sweep. So if you leave it connected like this, the vacuum air will be in here, so you could use this as a sweep on the floor. I hardly ever use that. You just press this tab, take this out, Take this off. We get our Dust Rite hose. And I mean, it fits perfect. It is swivels. It's a perfect fit. Like I said, these are Rockler. This whole kit here costs $49. All right, now let's see what size it's going to take for this saw. That's not going to fit. Maybe this will fit inside. Yep, that fits inside perfectly. So, just snap that on. It spins around. Now, we're set up for cutting. Okay, let's see how she does here. This is what I wanted to cut. Of course, I'm not deep enough. I tell you, that worked awesome. Usually it's dust all up back here that I have to pick up. Very little dust. I got some in here. Love this little DeWalt 12. This is a 12 amp or 12 volt saw. 5 3/8 is perfect for these little small cuts like this. What I did do though, I took off the stock DeWalt, put on this Diablo 24 tooth 5 3/8 inch blade. Put a 5 amp hour battery on it, transform this. So that's it. This thing works awesome, and if you have one of these vacs or you need something portable like this for dust extraction, I would highly recommend this.